Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. We're at the beautiful Crimson Houston in Houston, Texas. So we're looking at their beautiful two-bedroom model. The model is quite stunning. It's very unique. One thing that's unique about this is that this is actually on the first floor of a high-rise building. Wow, I have never seen anything like this. How pretty this is, how beautiful the kitchen is, how many people you can host in this, but also that it's on the first floor. So it just makes life convenient. You basically have your own private access into the building at any time. It's very cool to have this. And this is a super safe area of Houston, so it's no problem to be here on this first floor, in my opinion. I absolutely love it. But then you've got this beautiful space to work with. Look at its detail. It's fun. You could easily have 14 people in here with the tables, with the seating there on the island, with couches, and 14 people, and have fun experiences every weekend if you'd like. There's beautiful bedrooms also, and we're covering those in detail, but wow, what do you think? Isn't this just gorgeous? Send me your thoughts. Send me those thoughts and use my number below. That's my direct cell number. You can just send me a text, say, I really love this. Or just if you want to ask questions about Houston living, about high-rise living, send me a text as well. Can't wait to hear from you. By the way, anytime you can look me up on Uptown 101, and you can notice the 5-star reviews on Google. I take really good care of my clients all the time.